Rustling up a surprise, a phrase unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a unique and colorful expression, rustle up a surprise. This phrase is not just about surprises. It's about the creative and spontaneous effort behind them. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together, ensuring you can confidently add it to your English vocabulary. Rustle up a surprise combines two interesting words, rustle up and surprise. To rustle up, something means to create or prepare something quickly, using whatever resources are available. It's often used in the context of preparing a meal when you're short on time or ingredients, but can apply to other situations requiring quick, resourceful action. A surprise, as you likely know, is something unexpected, often pleasant and intended to delight or astonish someone. The phrase, rustle up, originally comes from the cowboy culture of the American West, where it meant to gather cattle quickly, often by making a rustling sound to get their attention. Over time, its meaning expanded to include quickly gathering or preparing not just cattle, but anything needed, particularly food. When we say, rustle up a surprise, we're talking about quickly putting together a surprise, using creativity and whatever is at hand, to delight someone. You can use rustle up a surprise in various contexts. Whether it's preparing an unexpected meal, planning a last-minute party, or creating a thoughtful gift, it's all about the element of surprise and the effort to bring joy to someone's day. Here are a few examples. I know we didn't plan anything for your birthday, but give us an hour, and we'll rustle up a surprise for you. She managed to rustle up a surprise anniversary dinner, even though she got home late from work. Let's rustle up a surprise for the kids this weekend. How about a treasure hunt in the backyard? Rustle up a surprise is a delightful phrase that encapsulates creativity, spontaneity, and the joy of surprising others. It's a testament to the English language's ability to capture the essence of human experiences in just a few words. We hope this video has not only taught you a new phrase but also inspired you to rustle up a surprise for someone special. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the richness of English.